Hey team, exciting news here. The Freeloader challenge has been going really well, and I'm happy to have been joined by so many other freeloaders on this adventure. In recognition of us collectively breaking $200,000 earned on free cash, the admins have decided to create a special event just for Kamikaze Cash affiliates. Those who joined with my referral are eligible to participate in an exclusive rewards ladder, so we don't have to compete with the entire website's user base for prizes. This is a 2-week competition from June 10th to June 24th, and 100 winners will split $5,000. For those not familiar, every coin earned on the website is 1 point on the leaderboard, and every 1,000 coins is redeemable for $1 in a litany of payout options. If you're new here, check out my tutorial on using free cash. In this episode, I will bum rush free cash offers and demonstrate how to earn about $600 and over 600,000 points on the leaderboard. Follow my lead and I'll get you up the leaderboard quickly while you earn fat bands along the way, even if you don't win. As for my plan with the earnings, I'm interested in participating in yield farming, and a whole host of you have turned out on Discord to teach me how to get started. To fund these ambitions, I need to freeload some fast cash. Although I was able to get a few focus groups this month, my collective $155 of earnings fell short of my usual result. This is therefore the perfect time to both earn money off of free cash to fill that gap, and also advise my gang on how to work their way up the leaderboard themselves. Here's my treasure map. Remember that free cash offers vary by state and country, so your offers and rewards might be a little different than mine. That's okay, you'll just have to modify your treasure map as needed. We're going to start off earning some seed money playing games in the land of Freemium, where the anticipated reward is about $168. Then we will march to the land of subscription, where we will invest our seed money in different banks and accounts to earn about $349 in new rewards. Then we'll withdraw our original investment. We will then travel to the land of generosity, where we will donate to the poor or infirm to receive more rewards than we donated. And finally to the land of gamblers, for those who really want to win the leaderboard. All of the free cash offers I present here are things I have already personally done and verified that they pay out as expected. Some of them I have already done in prior episodes. Some I'll be doing for the first time, but I have been paid as expected for all the ones I'm presenting. Let's get to it. We will begin our adventure in the land of Freemium and play some games to earn seed money that will fund some of the offers further along the treasure map. If you already have $110 to invest, you can skip this step, but the real freeloaders should earn money from the games first, or at least simultaneously while you invest your own money. That way you can invest as though you started with nothing. To earn our seed money, we are going to play State of Survival from A Studios and Rise of Kingdoms from the free cash featured offers. These two are basically the same game and they're hyper casual. You must build and expand your city by doing in-game challenges and collecting resources on the map. Let's start with Rise of Kingdoms. This is a free cash exclusive offer and you'll find it right here at the top of the earn page. When you start playing Rise of Kingdoms, make sure you get 10 coins immediately for downloading the game. Once you see that you got your 10 coins worth of rewards, you'll know that your conversion was successful and you'll get paid for any additional effort you put in. Then continue to upgrade your city hall. Your goal is to reach level 17, at which point you'll receive $100. To get there quickly, keep your soldiers on the map collecting resources and focus on improving buildings you need to advance your city hall. You should also click the scroll on the top right to participate in special events. Some of them will give you massive loot boxes for free, so you can reach your level 17 goal and get paid. To get to level 17 faster, I recommend buying an in-game growth package for $9.99. Doing so will give you $20 on free cash and 20,000 points on the leaderboard, and it'll help you reach level 17 quickly. Total profit here is $110, but even with the growth package, it might take you a week. Consider jumping ahead and doing the next set of offers simultaneously if you don't specifically need the seed money. State of Survival is the next one, and it's offered on several offer walls. The best set of incremental rewards can be found on A Studios' offer wall. On State of Survival, the concept is very similar to Rise of Kingdoms. Continue through the game to upgrade your headquarters building. To get the max reward means reaching level 25, but doing so would be extremely time consuming. So instead we will aim for the smaller rewards up to level 18. The first reward for completing the tutorial will take you less than 2 minutes. You'll only be rewarded 28 cents, but this early reward demonstrates that you are being tracked and your conversion was successful. Once we see that green check mark, we should do these optional purchases. To reach level 18 quickly, we should purchase the $9.99 and $19.99 growth packages. This will earn you $17 and $34 on free cash respectively, so you'll profit $21 and receive in-game items that will help you advance your headquarters with little effort. You can complete the challenges without them, but it'll take longer and you'll miss out on higher rewards. I purchased a pair of resource crates for $10 and $20, and without doing much else in the game, I'm at level 16. Most of the time is spent just waiting for buildings to upgrade. I know it's a scary hour or two while your payment processes. You spent $10 on a game and you want that reward immediately. If you got your reward for signing up on Rise of Kingdoms and for finishing the tutorial on State of Survival, then rest assured you'll get your profit as soon as the payment processes. And just with those two, we've finished the land of Freemium. Total profit is $168 and 200,000 points on the leaderboard. Next, we're going to take our winnings from State of Survival and Rise of Kingdoms and travel to the land of subscriptions. Here we will open up a chain of accounts in banks and brokerages. By making small $5 to $10 deposits into our own accounts that we can withdraw later, we can receive rewards as high as $93. We will then withdraw all of the money that we deposited back into accounts that we actually want to use. Let's pillage the land of subscription by jumping into the Review wall. We are going to open Review's offers and find Aspiration. This is an FDIC insured bank where opening an account with $10 will award you $34 of rewards. I've been using Aspiration to hold my Freeloader funds and I have no complaints. Since Aspiration is a bank, your coins will be held in a pending status for 30 days, but you'll see it on your pending rewards with a release date and you'll get your leaderboard bonus immediately. This pending hold is a US requirement, not a free cash policy. Banks in the US can't give you sign-up rewards unless the account stays open for 30 days. Next, we'll go to AdGem and sign up to SoFi. Sort by highest paying if you don't see it. We all know SoFi as a stock, and here's an opportunity to get back some of those losses. Deposit $50, and you'll get $71 from free cash and 71,000 leaderboard points. Remember, you don't lose that $50. You can withdraw it right after you get your payout if you want to. This is an easy clap for more than 70 bucks. We'll march to AdGate next, sort by high to low, and do a pair of offers. The first is North One, an FDIC insured bank account. For opening an account and depositing $50, we will get paid $93. North One through AdGate is only for iOS devices, but if you're on Android, you can find North One on other offer walls, although the reward might be lower. After we get paid, we can withdraw our money and move it over to Acorns, listed just below North One. By opening an account with just a $5 deposit, you get almost $47 from free cash. Acorns is a company that rounds up your credit card purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the change for you. It might be a nice feature to have if you don't actively deposit into your brokerage, or you can do like me and just withdraw the deposit after you get paid. Keep in mind both of these are banks, so we will have that same pending delay as with Aspiration, but you'll get your leaderboard points right away, not when your sign-up bonus gets paid. Also, Acorns will charge a few dollars per month to stay enrolled after the first month, so if you don't actually want to use Acorns, withdraw your deposit and cancel your subscription after you get your payout. Next, I'm going to find Abra on the featured offers. If you don't see it, you can also open up OfferToro and do it there. According to the offer, I need to sign up, make an account, and buy $15 worth of crypto. For doing so, I will receive $56 in rewards. Now in reality, I had some complaints about Abra, starting with the fact that the minimum purchase in the US is $50, not $15. So the actual requirement in practice is to buy $50 worth of crypto, not $15. That's not a big deal, but if you look at the actual price of Bitcoin on Abra, it's like 30% above the market value. You're paying the kimchi premium on this platform. Buying $50 of Bitcoin only gave me $37 worth, and to withdraw it later, I had to do KYC, that's know your customer, things like uploading your ID. I complained about this to FreeCash, who passed along my concerns to OfferToro, who in turn passed it along to Abra. The $15 minimum deposit should get corrected, but maybe not before I publish. So if you do this one, you may or may not see that updated. As for the kimchi premium, I don't know what the deal is here, but from my point of view, that drags the actual reward down from 56 to 43. Actually using Abra to exchange crypto is not a good idea. If you do decide to use this one, just be prepared for a bumpy ride. It's still a good use of your time because you profit a lot more than you invest, but this one is a real hassle. Maybe only do it if you need another 56,000 points on the leaderboard to get a good position. Unless you're in that position, I recommend holding off. On the bright side, there is no pending hold on the reward. Within moments, I got my $56 from OfferToro and 56,000 leaderboard points. And finally, we will go to Review again and look for Alto. Alto was listed last week when I did the offer. Now it doesn't appear to be posted in Virginia anymore, but this was a good one, so you should check and see if it's there for your state. According to the offer, we must sign up and deposit $10. Once that deposit clears, we will be awarded with $61.25 in coins. Alto is a real estate investment company that lets you buy into commercial properties. You can also use it for crypto or traditional investments. Once you have that reward, you can continue using Alto if you actually want to invest, or you can take the reward, close your account, and move on with your life. That's up to you. This could be helpful toward my Freeloader challenge goal of investing in real estate, but this isn't quite what I had in mind. Instead, I'm here to earn my $61 and run off with the loot. So I signed up, linked my Aspiration account, and made a $10 deposit. 24 hours later, I got my reward. There are other apps that you can consider signing up to for more rewards. There's a pretty limitless number of banks and investment accounts you can sign up to get paid. I'm only showing you the ones I actually did and can vouch for. But Review has the best track record in my experience, so you can poke around there and see if there are more offers that you like. From the land of subscription, this will total out to about $349 of profit and 362,000 points on the leaderboard. We had to subtract the $13 from the Kimchi Premium on Abra. From the lands of freemium and subscription, we're already at $517 profit and almost 600,000 points on the leaderboard. That'll probably get you pretty close to the top of the leaderboard, but if you need more, there are some other challenges that will give you additional points and a little bit of money. We will now go to Land of Generosity. In the Land of Generosity, there are the donation offers. Give $20 to charity, receive $30 on free cash, for example. You get $10, you get easy points, and you get a tax write-off for making the donation. There are two that stand out, both on Review. The first is to the Nature Conservancy. Donate $19, receive $28. And One World, I didn't even know what this charity does. Donate $19, receive $26. That'll give you an extra 54,000 leaderboard points, and your profit will be $16. Remember that if you don't cancel these charities, they'll bill you again the next month. So if you're not interested in actually donating, cancel your subscription after you get your coins. Don't ask for a refund because that'll get you denied and banned, but you should cancel further automatic donations. And don't forget to write off your $38 donation at tax time. There are some other good charities on the other offer walls too, but I haven't done them. On the featured offer wall from AET, for example, you can donate $19 to get $38, but you must wait 60 days to get verified. I don't like that wait time, it causes me stress. And does this mean I will get billed for the next month and actually end up donating $38 to cancer research before I receive $38 from free cash? There are worse ways to spend your money, like Coinbase shares, but this isn't specifically my Freeloader jam. But if you want to poke around the offers, you'll probably find some good ones. With all these so far, you'll be at 630,000 leaderboard points and you'll have earned about $530. Even if you don't win the leaderboard, you'll have made some good money in a day or two of work. But if you need more leaderboard points still, there's one territory left to pillage. That's the Land of Gamblers. There are several offers that will allow you to gamble a certain amount of money in an online casino, and for doing so, you'll receive more money, even if you don't win any of the slots. However, the number and type of casino will vary depending on your state and country. In some places, you won't see any gambling offers. In New Jersey, I had a $110 offer from MGM. I actually made $18 gambling, and then withdrew the $110 reward as well. But in Virginia, I've got offers like Vegas Plus and My Chance. For 25 euros in depositing and gambling, I will receive $29 in rewards, which is basically $25. So this won't win you any profit unless you actually win the slots. However, they will give you 30,000 leaderboard points each. I want to emphasize I didn't actually do these two, I just did MGM when I was in New Jersey. My recommendation is to poke around and see if you see any good offers. You can very easily make money on these, just pay attention to what you're playing. And I know some of you have a gambling addiction. If you do, don't do these casino games. This is real money we're talking about. And don't forget, you've got the daily rewards as well. Click this button every day and get your cash from the ladder and the streak bonus. All in all, this treasure map aims to put the good offers in front of you so you can advance on that leaderboard and earn good money as you go. Join Theta Gang's Discord where we have a Freeloader channel talking specifically about free cash and other freeloading opportunities. If this is your jam, come hang out. It's free. As for me, since I did some of these offers in prior episodes and already accounted for the winnings, my reward this round is about $311. That's from a bunch of offers above, plus I got the leaderboard bonus on back-to-back days. I made it to 4th place, couldn't quite get to the top 3 since I had done so many of these offers in prior episodes and just couldn't score enough new points this time. I'll be using this to buy crypto, probably Cardano, so I can participate in some of the airdrops you guys are showing me on Discord. I know Cardano makes people throw up in their mouths, but I believe these airdrops and yield farming will make this investment compound, even if ADA does drop all the way back to its 2020 prices. We'll see if I'm right or wrong in the next episode. This is either really dumb or really smart. Place your bets. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Enjoy the money, enjoy the leaderboard, and I'll see you next time when I take this episode's winning and dump it into crypto positions to aim for those airdrops and yield farming. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time.